This is an intro to Oxen, which is the Oxen Cryptocurrency Session and LokiNet. Oxen is a privacy computing network that was founded and is directed by the Oxen Privacy Tech Foundation. It is a nonprofit foundation based out of Australia. The foundation's mission is to build applications for the open internet that protect your privacy. When privacy is protected, we have the freedom to share information. The foundation employs programmers who create tools for communication and information sharing that protect your privacy. Currently, there are three main applications: the Oxen Cryptocurrency, Session Messenger, and LokiNet Anonymous Internet. All of them are open source software. Most of the action on the Oxen network comes from the popularity of the Session Messenger, which is a decentralized, end-to-end encrypted, onion-routed, totally anonymous messenger. In the beginning of 2021, the number of users on the Session network was estimated to be around 100,000. As of mid-December 2021, the number of users is estimated to be between 250 to 300,000. Because of the anonymity of the system, those are best guesses based on the number of downloads of the messaging app. The messaging app is quite polished, functions well, and has been growing at a rate of 250 to 300% this year. At this rate, Session will have around 1 million users sometime in 2022. LokiNet is technically a low latency onion router that works with any app, unmodified, and supports both TCP and UDP packets. Because of the low latency nature of the network, it can be used for real-time communications, like video calling, for instance. The best known onion router is Tor, but Tor requires a modified browser to access .onion anonymous sites. And Tor is not low latency. LokiNet's .loki addresses are accessible with any browser or standard app. LokiNet also supports exit nodes that make LokiNet to a truly anonymous VPN. The third app, Oxen Cryptocurrency, is a proof-of-stake coin that allows you to make instant, private, and anonymous transactions. Oxen calls instant transaction confirmations Blink. Blink is a unique function among cryptos. Not many have that. The crypto is also used for incentivizing the service nodes that run the network. Oxen is a Monero fork that has evolved to a very different crypto. For instance, Monero is proof of work, Oxen is proof of stake. Service nodes. Oxen's network functionality, scalability, and decentralization is powered by incentivized computers called Oxen service nodes. Each node has a time-locked 15,000 Oxen coins staked to it. Time locking is 15 days. If the service node is decommissioned because of its non-performance, the Oxen staked will become locked for 30 days as a penalty. Service nodes are required to have a minimum level of bandwidth and storage. In return for their services, service node operators and stakers receive a portion of each block reward. A block is processed every 2 minutes. Currently, a block reward of 16.5 Oxen is given to the service node operators. As of December 20th, 2021, there are 1,767 nodes operational on the network. Staking with Oxen. There are 3 ways to do it. Number 1, if you are a technical person, you can create your own service node in a virtual private server and contribute the entire 15,000 Oxen yourself. That makes you an operator and the sole contributor of the service node. The second choice is to be invited to contribute to a partial stake to a service node by a service node operator that you know. Or the most common way, number 3, stake your Oxen in a service node that is listed in the Oxen wallet. Minimums for staking. Only the operator of the service node has a defined minimum. That is 3,750 Oxen. The rest of the stake is divided between the rest of the stakers. The maximum number of contributors is 4, which is the operator and 3 contributors. And here's a couple of examples. Example number 1. First, the operator stakes 3,750 oxen. Number two, the contributor number 1 through number 3 each stake 3,750 oxen. So that makes 15,000. Example 2. The operator stakes 5,000 oxen. Contributor number 1 stakes 7,000 oxen. Contributor number 2 stakes 2,000 oxen. And contributor number 3 stakes 1,000 oxen. And example number 3. Operator stakes 8,000 oxen. Contributor number 1 stakes 6,555 oxen, which leaves the contributor number 2 a stake of 445 oxen. So the operator can define an operator fee that is a percentage of each block reward. 8 to 12% is a common fee. It covers the cost of running the VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. That gets taken off the top. The rest of the fee gets divided up in the staking ratio. In example number 1, the operator and each contributor would get 25% of the reward. If the operator fee was set at 10%, the operator would get 1.65 oxen off the top, and then each of the 4 contributors would get 3.7125 oxen. Staking rewards are paid in a circular fashion. When a service node is paid its reward, it moves to the end of the line, and the next one in the line gets their reward, and again goes to the back of the line. Staking is quite lucrative at the moment. A service node that runs a full year without stopping will earn about 2,650 oxen, which is about 17.6% return. If you reinvest the earnings in another node, your gains will be even that much more. Earnings from staking are paid directly to your wallet, and the Oxen coins never leave your wallet, so staking is risk-free, outside of the risk introduced by time locking. In other words, your Oxen is locked up for 15 days, during which you don't have any access to sell your coins. Currently, 47% of the circulating supply is staked in service nodes, quite effectively limiting the stock of available Oxen. Oxen Project is planning on creating monetization opportunities by adding 4 pay features in the session messenger and a LokiNet exit node marketplace in the future. Pay for those features will be in the Oxen cryptocurrency. Currently, Oxen is mostly used for purchasing Oxen name system names, such as usernames for the session messenger and LokiNet domain names. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.